Hello everybody, my name is Michael here. Welcome to tutorial number 2 in this web series about HTML and CSS. I showed you the basics last time, how you can write a basic HTML document. I also showed you how you can make a simple element with CSS and how you can connect it with your HTML document. But what I forgot to tell you last time is how is this doc type line here. Doc type HTML must you write before you even start to write in your HTML tags, and that's because the web browser must know what kind of document he's working with. What I'm gonna teach you today is how to positioning your elements in a document or in your web browser, and I'm also gonna shortly going through how you can style, in this case, an element in or a box, for example. And I'm gonna start directly here with starting to build our header. We are giving it a width of, this case, 900 pixels and a height of 250 pixels and a background color in this case orange, just to make it very simple. What I want to add in here now is also margin right and margin left auto, and that's because I want to position it in the middle of the web browser. I also want to add in a style attribute here, and it's called border bottom right radius, and this is translated to that. Let's pretend now that we have an element, in this case a square box. A square box has 4 corners, and these corners is very sharp. You can make soft edges or soft corners with this attribute, and in this case I'm gonna write in 4 pixels, 5 pixels, and I'm gonna copy this just to save time. I'm gonna show you now how the results gonna end up. Left, and we save this and we add it into our HTML document and give it an ID of header. Div and we save this and we run this in Chrome. As you see here, we have our header and our not so sharp corners, and this is a very good, as I said before, a very good attribute if you decide to design your element. Always use border right radius, border left radius, border top radius. You can write it down if you have a pen and paper ahead of you. What we're gonna do later on in this tutorial we're gonna add in here a navigation bar, but that's later on. Before I end this tutorial, I wanna show you how to position an element, in this case a orange box on this side of the web browser. And in this case I'm gonna start to do right in box left, and give that a width of 250 pixels and a height of 600 pixels, and a background color of orange, of course. And now I'm gonna add in a very important attribute here, and that's called float. The float attribute is very good when you're gonna position an element on another element, either on the left side or the right side. So I'm gonna write in the right here. Save, and we must add it in our HTML document. Div ID box right, sorry, box left, div, we save this, and we, yes, and there you see that we have our element. And of course I can also style my element to that point that I write in border top left radius 4 pixels, 5 pixels, and I just copy this. To my other element down here, delete it up there, and I save this. And you don't see it right now, but what I have done here is that I have smoothened these edges here, or these corners, and as I said before, it's a good style attribute if you want to make it look more good. This is all thing I can do today, but please follow me, my tutorials, and please subscribe, and we see each other next time.